Changing your team name in Fantasy Premier League FPL app is quick and easy. Whether you want a fresh identity, a funnier name, or just made a typo when you first signed in, the app lets you update your team name in just a few steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your FPL application and log into your specific account. Now tap on Fantasy in the bottom of the screen, that is between latest and matches. Go ahead and tap on these options. Now from this page, you need to simply scroll all the way down and there you will see the section of leagues and clubs. Tap on configure leagues with the gear icon. This will take you to the new page. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and scroll down and tap on the league option. Go to its setting and you will see the option of league name under league details. Go ahead and delete the previous name and set a new one. Once done, you can also go through league code privacy, scoring starts, and tap on update league. Your FPL team name is now updated. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.